Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and we are going to open up the September So What box. I feel like I stay in a behind mode, but I did want to share this with you. And don't forget, there's a link below in the description to send you right to them. And your first month will be free. All new members, new subscribers will get their first month free. So let's see what we've got. All right, September is so black. Flip for details. We have a sewing machine organizer, pre-cut project kit. We have extra fabric. Oh, we have a kitchen appliance cover, printed pattern, and don't forget to join the Facebook community. And there is a members only vault patterns and tutorials. Browse a library of downloadable sewing patterns and tutorial videos. Perfect place to find, yada yada yada. I'm definitely going to be checking that out. Alright, oh, we get our fabric. Kitty cats. And some black and white polka dotted. Always very well coordinated, and she ties them up with a ribbon that you can cut, and you have homemade sewing labels. A kitchen appliance cover, printed pattern. So this is nice. Well, there we go. And then today's project, or this month's project, is an appliance cover. And I actually own a stand mixer. I think I got it from Aldi. It is not one of the KitchenAid ones. Not by a long shot. Maybe someday. And in here we have the materials we need pre-cut for it. As always, we have some pins and a sewing machine needle and some thread. Nice quality thread. And it says the mixture appliance cover. Prep time is 2 minutes. Approximate start to finish will be 90 minutes. So easy to do within one evening, one afternoon. And then a nice printed out instruction. You can also look up and find her videos. Very good videos. These are exclusive designs that they create, if I read everything right and understand it right. Northwest United States. They're curated here in the United States. They're put together in the U.S. And it is a small business owner, so you can't get much better than that. But don't forget to check out the link. Don't forget your first month is free. And I will get a little bit of a thank you from her. So if you've ever been thinking about getting the Sew Up box, please use my link down below. And forgive the light over here. I'm standing in front of our microgreen rack. And I am not going to open it up because we've got grow lights and it'll blind you. We're having a lot of fun with that. Sunflower, I think, is my favorite. But we do radish and kale sometimes chia, sometimes arugula. But the spicy salad mix and the radish and the sunflowers are probably the favorites. And we've been going to a little Saturday market locally here. Hickson, Brainerd, all around Chattanooga. So if you happen to be in the area, be sure to check out our Facebook page of Crazy D Ranch and Rabbitry. We're trying to make sure we post some pictures and some information about where we're going to be on which Saturday. So if you happen to be in the area, be sure to stop by and say hi. And of course, we're ramping up for the Holly Jolly Market and some other things going on. Always having our greens. We'll have jams and jellies and lots of sewing. And I will try to show you some of what I've been working on the last month, 2 months, to take to these markets. And be sure to be on the lookout for that video. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Be sure to check out the Sew What box. I've tried a couple other subscription sewing boxes, and so far this one is the best. I have not yet tried out Mrs. Quilty. But out of the ones I have done, I really like this Sew What box. And a couple of the other ones that I did, they were short-lived. She's still going strong and has been for a number of years. So very consistent. It's consistently high quality, consistently nice patterns. Sometimes not what I would have picked to do, but they have challenged me and I've learned a lot. So be sure to check them out. Don't forget to come back and check out some of our other sewing videos. And I have put in an order for some new little products that I can't wait to try out and show you. And you might find them helpful. So be on the lookout. Be sure to click subscribe, like, share. Sharing is one of the best things that you can do for us besides watching our videos. And click the bell to be notified when we put up new ones. So have a great day. Enjoy your sewing, and be on the lookout for your new subscription box with Sew What. Talk to you later. Have a nice day.